feels cold and dry. You lift my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way as I pray. Gentle footsteps in the light. You walk with me through every night. Every worry fades away as you stay. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone by your dawn. Garden of glory, soft and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Garden of glory, calm and pure. In your love I feel secure. Lead me where you stand, held within your hand. river of mercy flowing through me in the quiet of the dawn. Your gentle presence lingers on, every shadow fades away. As you stay, your peace begins to rise, like sunlight breaking through the skies. My weary heart finds rest in your breath. Your mercy calls again, like rivers without end. Every fear released. River of mercy, deep and wide, wash me clean on every side. shadows crowd my view. Your holy presence pulls me through. Every moment wrapped in fear disappears. In the stillness of your grace, your glowing mercy fills the space. Every part of me revive, you provide. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every dark replaced by your grace. River light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. When my strength begins to fade, your gentle radiance invades every tremble in my soul. You console. Through the quiet of the dawn, your holy glow keeps shining on. Every wound begins to mend, you defend. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every dark replaced by your grace. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. Let your glory shine, flow through every line. Lead me by your grace, light this place. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. River of light, shine through me. River of light. glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts release in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when I can't sleep. Every tide you send makes my soul ascend. You restore the broken heart, breathing life in every part, every weakness that I know. You overflow in the stillness. I can feel every wound begin to heal. All you are and all you give makes me live. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts released in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory, soft and deep, hold my heart when Waves of glory fall on me. Waves of glory. Fountain of peace flow through me. so cold and long. Your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade, unafraid. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. When my strength is wearing thin, your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you repair. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. Hold me as I rise, grace before my eyes. Guide me every day, show the Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted up. Wings of mercy cover me. When the night is cold and long, your quiet presence keeps me strong. Every shadow fades from sight in your light. Gentle whispers fill the air. I feel your love already there. Every heartbeat starts to rise, sanctified. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. Lead me through the night with your shining light. In the stillness of the dawn, your peaceful mercy lingers on. Every fear begins to break as I wake. You restore what I have lost. You calm the storms at any cost. Every tear you wipe away day by day. Your glory breaks the dark, ignites my sleeping heart. All my doubts undone by your Son. Light of heaven, pure and bright, fill my soul with holy light. Every moment that I breathe, I believe. Light of heaven, warm and true, let my spirit rest in you. when the night surrounds my soul, you speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence, soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. When the world is loud and wild, your peace surrounds me like a child. Every fear begins to fade as you stay. You restore the tired mind and breathe your hope through every line. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. Echoes of grace call to me. When the world is loud and wide, your gentle whisper draws me inside. Every sound that brings me fear fades too clear. In the quiet of your peace, my restless thoughts begin to cease. Every battle I once knew turns to you. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your echoes of grace, soft and light. Fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment heard in you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. When my heart begins to break, your healing presence starts to wake. Every tear that falls unseen turns serene. Through the stillness of the night, your holy echoes shine with light. Every wound you start to mend as you send. Your voice restores my heart and gives me a new start. All my doubts erased by your grace. Echoes of grace, soft and light. Fill my soul with holy sight. Every moment heard in you feels brand new. Echoes of grace, deep and near, drive away my every fear. Let your voice remain, calling out my name. Let your presence stay, guide me every day. Speak into my soul, make me whole. of grace.